Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Aisha and in this video I'm just going to be telling you all about SnapPlugs, what they are, how to use them and all of that kind of stuff. So if you don't know what SnapPlugs are, they are basically a series of plugs that go up in very small increments in size, and they make stretching a lot easier and a lot safer. So there are two series of SnapPlugs and each series has 10 sizes. As I said before, the size difference between each size is different to sort of conventional stretching sizes where you'd have maybe every 1mm or every ½ millimeter. So with SnapPlugs, it's round about sort of every 0.3mm. So series 1 will take you from 5mm to 8mm, and series 2 will take you from 8mm to 12mm. So one of the reasons I wanted to talk about SnapPlugs on my channel is that I've been trying to stretch my ears for about a year. Originally my goal was 6mm and then I changed it to 10mm, and I'm currently at about 6mm, but the issue I've been having for the last sort of 6 months or so is I'm so almost at 7, but I'm not quite at 7. I need like a size in between, because otherwise I feel like I'm never going to get to 7. Like my ears just don't stretch very well. Like even my septum is stretching easier than my ears. So yeah, I basically needed a size in between, but the issue with that is that it's expensive. Like I don't want to buy every ½ millimeter of plug and then just not even need it by the time I've like stretched over that size. Like it's just a waste of money, and I don't really have that money to waste, to be honest with you. So what I liked about SnapPlugs is that the sizes, 1, go up in smaller increments, 2, they are good quality, they are implant grade. I can't remember the exact name of the material, but I'll put it on screen. And they are autoclavable. So from all of that, I already knew that this would be a good product to stretch with, and it would like meet all of my needs and all of that kind of stuff. So how SnapPlugs actually work and how I've been explaining them to people is that they snap together like Lego. So each SnapPlug is built of, the plug itself, a front cap, a back cap, and on the plug itself there's a little ramp to help you get to the next size. And then once you take the back cap off, you've got a hole, and once you take the front cap off, you've got like a little, like the little nodule on top of a Lego brick. So basically how it works is when you want to go to the next size, you just need to take the back cap off the plug you're already wearing, and then take the front cap off the new plug that you're going to put in. The little Lego nodule on the front of the new plug will then click into the back of the old plug, and you can just push it through, remove the old plug from the front of the new one, and then put the front cap back on. Although that might sound complicated, they're actually really easy to use and the stretch is really smooth. And also because you're going up in smaller increments, you can stretch a little bit more frequently. So Stretch Logic, the company who makes SnapPlugs, suggests you stretch sort of every 10 to 30 days, or gives you that as like a guideline for how often you should change to the next size. At the moment I've only gone up one size from 6mm, so I'm on the 1.5 SnapPlug size, and I'll probably go up to the next size again at some point next week. But to be honest, I'm just really happy that I'm finally getting off 6mm, and it feels like it's gonna be a lot smoother process than it was, just trying to basically dead stretch and wait for my skin to stretch itself. That works for some people, but where my ears just aren't very stretchy, it's hard to get those, particular sizes in. I think even going up in ½ millimeters, there's still the hassle of, putting the plug in. And I always hated that part of stretching, like trying to get it in. Like I'd always get it through most of the hole, and then like the back bit of skin wouldn't want to stretch. So I find this really convenient, and I really like that, not only is it convenient and cost effective, but it's also like safe for your ears because you're going up in those smaller increments. It's made of good quality stuff and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm really glad that it does seem like an all-round great product. Obviously, if you're going to use this product to stretch your ears, remember to do things like massage your ears, lubricate your ears before you stretch, all of that kind of stuff. Clean your plugs, clean your jewelry. Like, this isn't optional. You do not want an ear stinking of ear cheese. But yeah, hopefully you'll already kind of know that stuff by the time you get to using SnapPlugs, since they don't start until 5mm. But just in case you've not been doing that all of this time, then yeah, please, please, please lubricate, massage and clean your ears. If you're interested in trying out SnapPlugs, both Series 1 and Series 2 are available on wholeheartedlondon.com. But if you're not interested right now, or you know, you're not at 5mm yet, then you can always add this video to like your watch list or something and come back to it when you are interested. I really recommend this product if you have problems stretching like I do, or even if you don't have problems stretching and you just can't afford to buy loads and loads of plugs in all of the sizes. It's a really good product for both of those things. But just remember that even though it is technically safer with the whole smaller stretches and things like that, if your ear isn't ready to stretch, don't push it. But that's all I can really say right now on SnapPlugs. I mean, personally, I've gotten really well with them for the last week or so that I've been using them. But, you know, everyone is different, and I'm just showing you how they work in case, like me, you're really in need of this product as well. But yeah, that is the end of this video, so make sure you drop a comment below if you do have any questions that I haven't answered, or if you have any questions about anything else that's not really related to this video, then drop those below as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Just so you know, I've got loads of new stock over on wholeheartedlondon.com. This new high quality range not only looks stunning, but it's highly polished, internally threaded implant grade titanium, so it's great for your piercings too.